Today I'm gonna show you how to place anything in perfect perspective in Photoshop using the Vanishing Point filter. With this, you can change the perspective of text or image to match your background very easily. So without any further ado, let's get into it. We're gonna start with importing our image. Now create a new text layer and type your desired text and scale it up. Now Control or Command click your text layer thumbnail to get a selection and simply copy the selected area by pressing Control or Command C. Turn off your text layer and then create a new empty layer. And now we are going to use our Vanishing Point filter. Simply go to Filter and then select Vanishing Point filter. In the Vanishing Point filter window, go to Create Plane or press C and then click on the four corners of your first wall to create a perspective plane. Now, one plane is not enough and you are going to need another plane as a reference. So again, go to Create Plane or press C. And now, hold Alt and click and drag along the middle point. This will create a plane perpendicular to your previous plane. And then adjust its size as per your preference. Now, simply hit Ctrl or Command V to paste your selection and bring it down in your perspective planes. And it will place it automatically. Now we will place an image in our perspective plane. Just import the image you want to place on the wall and scale it accordingly. Then again, just make a selection and create a copy. By the way, if you want to know how I created this Batman movie poster, check out the link at the top of your screen right now. Now, on a new layer, go to the Vanishing Point filter and this time the plane will already be there. So just paste your selected area and bring down your image to place it into perspective. You can clearly see the difference here. We'll cover the blending modes and different sliders in the future videos.